Hello everyone, this video is regarding JEE Mains past year questions on the chapter Straight Lines and Pair of Straight Lines Part 2. So the first question for this video. Let A 2, minus 3 and B minus 2, 1 be the vertices of the triangle. If the centroid of the triangle moves on the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 1, then the locus of the vertex is the vertex C is the line. Options are 3x minus 2y is equal to 3, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. So how we'll proceed with this sum? So first initially we'll draw a triangle which is A, B, C. So A is minus 2, minus 3, B is minus 2, 1, and C is, let us consider this C to be h, k, because we should find the locus of this point. And this centroid, if you consider this centroid, it passes through 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. So if you consider 3 points, the centroid of the 3 points will be x1 plus x2 plus x3. If you consider 3 points, x1 by 1, x2 by 2, x3 by 3, the centroid of these 3 points will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma, the centroid is represented by G, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So if you consider that and substitute these values here and C to be h, k, then 2 minus 2 plus h by 3, comma, minus 3 plus 1 plus k by 3 is equal to centroid, which is h by 3, comma, k minus 2 by 3. So we know that a line is passing through the centroid, which is 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. If you substitute this centroid point here, then it should satisfy this equation. So 2 into h by 3 plus 3 into k minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. So 2h by 3 plus 3k minus 6 by 3 is equal to 1, which gives us 2h plus 3k is equal to 9. So if you simplify, means if you change h, k to xy, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. So the final answer for this question is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. So moving on to the next question. The equation of the straight line passing through the points 4, 3 and making an intercept coordinate with coordinate axis whose sum is minus 1, then is, options are x by 2 minus y by 3 is equal to 1, and x by minus 2 plus y by 1 is equal to 1. x by 2 minus y by 3 is equal to minus 1, x by minus 2 plus y by 1 is equal to minus 1, x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1, x by 2 plus y by 1 is equal to 1, x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1, x by minus 2 plus y by 1 is equal to minus 1. So what they give, if a comma b are the intercepts x and y intercept respectively, they give a plus b is equal to minus 1. So if you consider b is equal to minus 1 minus a, so we know that intercept form of a line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So x by a plus, if you substitute that here, x by a plus of minus, so x by a minus y by 1 plus a is equal to 1, which gives us x into 1 plus a minus y into a is equal to a into 1 plus a. So they gave that this line passes through the point 4, 3. So if you substitute 4, 3 here, 4 plus 4a minus 3a is equal to a plus a square. So what is remaining? 4 plus a is equal to a plus a square plus a. So a gets cancelled, a is equal to plus or minus 2. So if you substitute plus or minus 2 in this equation, if you can substitute a is equal to 1, a is equal to 2, b is equal to how much? Minus 3. If you substitute a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 1. So the final equation is x by 2 minus y by 3 is equal to 1, or and x by minus 2 plus y by 1 is equal to 1. So the final answer for this question is x by 2 minus y by 3 is equal to 1, and x by minus 2 plus y by 1 is equal to 1. So the final answer question is x by 2 minus y by 3 is equal to 1, and x by minus 2 plus y by 1 is equal to 1. This question we can even simply do directly with another method. What is that? The coordinate axis by substitution, by just option verification. They give coordinate axis sum should be minus 1. So 2 minus this sum should be minus 1. So 2 plus minus 3, 2 minus 1 is minus 1. So here it satisfies, minus 2 plus 1, it satisfies here. You check each and every option. If you check these two options is eliminated initially directly. So because the sum here, sum is not minus 1. Then second condition, what you should check, it should pass through this point. If you substitute and verify in this point, 4 by 2 minus 3 by 3, which will be 1. So if you verify like this, you will get the final answer. So final answer for this question is this. Moving on to the next question. If the sum of the slopes of the line given by x square minus 2cxy minus 7y square is equal to 0 is 4 times the product of their product, C has a value of, options are -2, -1, 2 and 1. So if you consider ax square plus 2hxy plus by square then is equal to 0, then sum of the slopes is m1 plus m2 is -2h by b, m1 m2 is a by b. So what they give, m1 plus m2 is equal to 4 into m1 m2. So m1 plus m2 is here, -2h by b is nothing but -2c by 7 is equal to 4 into -1 by 7. What you will get, 2c by 7 is equal to 4 by 7. So 7 gets cancelled, 2 2s are. So c value is 2. So the final answer for this question is c is equal to 2. So the final answer is c is equal to 2. Moving on to the next question. If one of the lines is given by 6x square minus xy plus 4cy square is equal to 0 is 3x plus 4y is equal to 0, then c is equal to, options are -3, -1, 2 and 1. So how we will proceed with this sum? First, initially we will write m1 plus m2, which is -2h by b, which is -2h by b is minus 1 by -1 by 4c, sorry, minus of -1 by 4c, which is 1 by 4c. So m1 m2 is c a by b, which is 6 by 4c. So if you consider this line slope m1, which is -3 by 4, minus a by b, which is -3 by 4, if you substitute that here, what you will get, if you substitute that here and here, what you will get, -3 by 4 into m2 is equal to 6 by 4c. So 4 gets cancelled. m2 is equal to -2 by c. If you substitute m2 here, what you will get, -3 by 4 -2 by c is equal to 1 by 4c. So -3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4c plus 1 by 2c. So -3 by 4 is equal to 9 by 4c, implies c is equal to -3. So the final answer for this question is c is equal to -3. So the final answer is c is equal to -3. So moving on to the next question. A line parallel to the x-axis and passing through the intersection of the points, intersection of the lines ax plus b 2y plus 3b is equal to 0 and bx minus 2ay minus 3a is equal to 0, where a comma b not equal to 0 comma 0 is. Options are below the x-axis at a distance 3 by 2 from it, below the x-axis at a distance 2 by 3 from it, above the x-axis at a distance 3 by 2 from it, above the x-axis at a distance 2 by 3 from it. So how we will do this sum? Initially ax plus 2by plus 3b is equal to 0, which implies ax plus 2by is equal to minus 3b. 2by is equal to, so x by minus 3b by a plus y by minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. So what are the points here? Minus 3b by a comma 0, minus 0 comma minus 3 by 2. These are the points at which this line touches the coordinate axis. If you take bx minus 2ay minus 3a is equal to 0, so bx minus 2ay is equal to 3a, which gives us x by 3a by b minus, sorry, plus y by 3a by minus 2a. So a gets cancelled, is equal to 0. So what are the points at which is this touch the coordinate axis? Plus 3a by b comma 0 minus 0 comma minus 3 by 2. So these two have a common point, which is minus 3 comma 0 comma minus 3 by 2, which means that they meet at the point minus 3 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 comma 0 comma minus 3 by 2. So this point is 0 comma minus 3 by 2. So what you will get, a line parallel to x-axis and passing through the point of intersection, which is 3 by 2 distance below the x-axis, below the x-axis at a distance of 3 by 2 from it. The final answer for this question is below the x-axis at a distance of 3 by 2 from it. So moving on to the next question. If the vertex of the triangle is 1 comma 1 and the midpoints of the two sides this vertex are through the vertex are -1 comma 2 and 3 comma 2, then the centroid of the triangle is, options are minus 1 comma 7 by 3, minus 1 by 3 comma 7 by 3, 1 comma 7 by 3, 1 by 3 comma 7 by 3. So how will we do this sum? So initially take a triangle with vertex 1 comma 1, and these are the midpoints, minus 1 comma 2, 3 comma 2. So we know if 2 points x1 y1 x2 y2 are there, then the midpoint of these 2 points are x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So if you consider this, what you will get? Let us consider this first we shall find the point of this, which is we consider this to be x comma y. So x plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1, which implies x is equal to minus 2 plus 1 is minus 3. Similarly, y is equal to 3. If you take this side, x is equal to x plus 1 is equal x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3, x is equal to 6 minus 1, which is 5, and similarly y is equal to 3. So what are the new point? What are the vertices here? B is, if you consider this to be a, this to be b, and this to be c. So b is minus 3 comma 3, c is 5 comma 3. So what they ask, the centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle, we know a is equal to 1 comma 1. So center of the triangle, we know the formula, which is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. If 3 vertices are given, x1 by 1, x2 by 2, x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So if you take 1 minus 3, minus 2 plus 5, minus 2 plus 5 is 3 by 3 is 1. So 1 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 3 is 5 plus 3 is 8 by 3. So 1 by 2, here you have 2. 1 plus 3 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, so 7 by 3. So the final answer for this question is 1 comma 7 by 3. So final answer is 1 comma 7 by 3. So next question. A straight line passing through the point A 3 comma 4 is such that its intercept is in between the axis bisected at A. Its equation is, options are x plus y is equal to 7, 3x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0, 4x plus 3y is equal to 24, 3x plus 4y is equal to 25. So how will do this sum? They gave a point A. It is intercept, means these intercepts. If you consider this point, this line, they give this point A. It is bisected between the vertices. So this A point will be 3 comma 4. If you want to find the intercepts, what it will be? This will be the midpoint bisected they give. So this will be the midpoint for this line. So this point will be what? 0 comma 8. This point will be 8 this point will be 6 comma 0, right? Because this is the midpoint, these are the intercepts. Y will be 0 and x will be y will be 0 and x will be the double of this value, and in this case x will be 0 and y will be double of this value. So you know you have two intercepts now. How will you find the equation? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So x by 6 plus y by 8 is equal to 1. So 8x plus 6y is equal to 48, implies 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. So final answer for this question is 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. So moving on to the next question. If a comma a square falls inside the angle made by the lines y is equal to x by 2, where x is greater than 0, and y is equal to 3x, where x is greater than 0, then a belongs to, options are 0 comma half, 3 comma infinity, half comma 3, minus 3 comma minus half. So if you consider this line, what it is, y is equal to x by 2 line will be somewhere like this, and y is equal to 3x will be like this. Y is equal to x by 2, y is equal to 3x. This is x, this is y. So there is a point in between this, which is a comma a square. So if you see this value will be a minus a square minus, means if you substitute this point here, a square minus 3a in this first part will be less than 0, and a square minus a by 2 will be greater than 0. The points which are satisfying in this region is half is less than a less than 3. So the final answer for this question is half is less than a less than 3, which is the a lies between half comma 3. So moving on to the next question. Let a h comma k be 1 comma 1 and c 2 comma 1 be the vertices of the right angle triangle with AC as its hypotenuse. If the area of the triangle is 1 square unit, then the set of values of k for which set of values which k can take is given by options are minus 1 comma 3, minus 3 comma minus 2, 1 comma 3, 0 comma 2. So what they give this to be b is 1 comma 1, c is 2 comma 1, and this is a straight line, implies this is a right angle, so implies this point, this x vertex must be 1, and this k we don't know. This is a right angle triangle, so the area of the triangle is half into base into, if you consider base into height, so which will be half into base value is 1, if you consider height k minus 1, which is equal to what they give 1. So always write the area in mod, because it can the value is always positive. So k minus 1 is equal to 2 plus or minus 2, k is equal to 1, k is equal to minus 1, k is equal to 3. So the final value for this question is k is equal to 1 comma 3. So k is equal to minus 1 comma 3. So with this we conclude our second video for the straight lines, and we'll get back to you with the third video. Thank you.